Here's how to use KidsGuard for WhatsApp to monitor someone's WhatsApp on iOS devices. Step 1. Choose a monitoring plan. Sign in KidsGuard websites and select KidsGuard for WhatsApp tool. Click Monitor Now. Just purchase a suitable monitoring plan. Then click your profile photo. My product icon, you can see the KidsGuard for WhatsApp tool you just bought. Tap on Start Monitoring button. Step 2. Link a device, select iOS options. Then follow the prompts on the screen. Go to the target WhatsApp settings. Linked devices, then tap on Link a device. Step 3. Bind the target WhatsApp account. Use the target WhatsApp to scan the QR code, then click Verify Setup on the screen. You can bind the target WhatsApp account successfully. Step 4. Start monitoring the target WhatsApp data. Now you can monitor all WhatsApp data on the target WhatsApp account on iOS device. You can check the WhatsApp chats, calls, voices, photos, videos, documents, and all WhatsApp activities from the target WhatsApp account. You can also take screenshots of all these WhatsApp data. Or you can download the WhatsApp pictures, videos, and record the WhatsApp voices. What's more, you are allowed to export these target WhatsApp chats, calls, and activities to CSV format. That's KidsGuard for WhatsApp, available for both Android and iOS devices. What's a smart WhatsApp tracker? It's a smart hidden tool. The target person would find out his WhatsApp is monitored. With this tool, you can certainly know all the WhatsApp messages from your loved ones,